Hello, I'm Camille Mazo. I'm a postdoctoral researcher in the team Neuronal Basis of Perception at the Interdisciplinary Institute for Neuroscience, IINS in Bordeaux. I'm conducting biological research and specifically in the field of neuroscience. And I'm interested in the representation of the space that we can touch, and it's called the peripersonal space. The aim is to study how the brain incorporates prostheses, which could help the development of neuroprostheses, which are prostheses that have like tactile sensations. To study this, I use behavior and optical techniques such as two-photon microscopy. I didn't necessarily set out to do research, but it was always interesting to know how stuff works and the fundamental mechanisms or laws that govern the world. I've always been impressed by the working of the brain, which is a very mysterious organ, and in particular how it processes so many information and can use this judgment to make decisions and guide our actions. So I like climbing, and sometimes when you climb you're like facing a difficulty, you don't know how to do that specific move and it seems like you'll never be able to manage it. And then you just like go back home and the next time you try you just like manage to do it like no problem. And I think that sometimes in science it's the same. You can struggle with a difficulty, but you manage to overcome it eventually. And sometimes the best thing that you can do is just to go home and rest. So you should keep up with literature and manage to assimilate it and apply to your own research. Be resilient, bounce back from previous failed experiments, use it to move forward, and always keep an eye for unexpected results.